Do you ever wake up planning to have a great day, but things start to go wrong before you even finish your first coffee? You might not realize it, but how you start your morning can set the mood for the whole day. One bad habit can lead to stress, tiredness, and anxiety. If your days often feel chaotic before they even begin, it's time to take a closer look at your morning routine. Here are 10 morning habits you should avoid if you want to have a great day. Habit 1. Checking your phone first thing. What's the first thing you do when you wake up? If you're like most people, you probably reach for your phone right away. You might think it's harmless to check your notifications, emails, or social media, but it can actually make you feel stressed and overwhelmed before you even get out of bed. All that information can put your mind in a busy and anxious state, making it hard to focus on getting ready for the day. Instead, try keeping your phone away from your bed and spend the first few minutes of your morning doing something relaxing, like stretching, deep breathing, or just enjoying the quiet. Habit 2. Skipping water in the morning. Your body gets dehydrated overnight, so it's important to drink water as soon as you wake up. Skipping this morning glass can make you feel tired and unfocused. Staying hydrated helps keep your energy up and your brain working well. Habit 3. Leaving your bed unmade. Leaving your bed unmade might not seem like a big deal, but it can make your whole room feel messy and unorganized. This sense of chaos can affect your mood for the rest of the day. Taking just a couple of minutes to make your bed can actually make a big difference. It's a simple task that gives you a quick win first thing in the morning, helping you start your day with a sense of order and accomplishment. Plus, it's always nice to come back to a neat and tidy bed at the end of a long day. Habit 4. Ignoring morning sunlight. Getting sunlight in the morning helps regulate your body's internal clock, which controls when you feel awake and sleepy. Skipping this natural light can make you feel groggy. Try spending a few minutes outside or near a window to boost your mood and alertness. Habit 5. Hitting the snooze button. We all know the temptation to hit the snooze button for a few more minutes of sleep. But those extra minutes don't really help. When you hit snooze, you interrupt your sleep cycle and make it harder to feel awake. This groggy feeling, called sleep inertia, can stick around for hours, making it tough to get going. Instead, try setting your alarm for the time you really plan to get up. If you struggle with this, place your alarm clock or phone across the room. This way, you have to get out of bed to turn it off, and you'll be less likely to crawl back under the covers. Habit 6. Watching TV in the morning. It's tempting to turn on the TV as you get ready, whether to catch up on the news or watch a favorite show. But this can actually slow you down more than you think. Watching TV can make you lose track of time, and before you know it, you're rushing to get ready and feeling stressed. Also, depending on what you watch, it can affect your mood. Negative news or dramatic shows can leave you feeling tense or upset, not the best way to start your day. Instead, try using the time for something more calming or productive, like listening to relaxing music, planning your day, or even getting in a quick workout. Habit 7. Skipping morning exercise. It's easy to skip exercise in the morning, especially when you're tired or short on time. But even a little bit of physical activity can do wonders for your energy and mood. A quick 10-minute walk, some light stretching, or even a few jumping jacks can wake up your body and mind. Morning exercise not only gets your blood flowing, but it also releases endorphins, which are chemicals in your brain that make you feel happier and more focused. You don't need a long workout, just a few minutes of movement can set a positive tone for the whole day. Habit 8. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach. Many of us rely on coffee to wake up, but drinking it without eating first can lead to problems. When you drink coffee on an empty stomach, it increases the amount of acid in your stomach, which can cause heartburn or an upset stomach. It can also make you feel jittery and anxious. To avoid these issues, try eating something small before your coffee, like a piece of toast, a banana, or some nuts. This will help balance the acidity and keep your stomach happy. Plus, having a little food in your system will help keep your energy more steady throughout the morning. Habit 9. Taking long, hot showers. There's nothing like a hot shower to start the day, especially when it's cold outside. But taking long, steamy showers isn't as good for you as it feels. Hot water can dry out your skin and strip away natural oils, leaving your skin itchy and irritated. Also, stepping out of a hot, steamy bathroom into cooler air can make you feel sluggish and more likely to want to go back to bed. Try taking a shorter, slightly cooler shower instead. It's still refreshing but without the negative effects, and it might just give you an extra boost of energy to start your day right. Habit 10. Eating a sugary breakfast. Starting your day with a sugary breakfast like pastries, sugary cereals, or even sweet smoothies can give you a quick burst of energy, but it doesn't last. This quick rise in blood sugar is followed by a sudden drop, leaving you feeling tired and hungry soon after. This can make it hard to focus and get things done. Instead, choose a breakfast with a mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. For example, try eggs with whole grain toast, oatmeal with nuts and fruit, or yogurt with granola. These options will keep you fuller for longer and help you stay focused and energized throughout the morning. Habit 11. Rushing your morning routine. If you find yourself rushing through your morning routine, it's a sign that you're not giving yourself enough time to start the day right. Rushing can make you feel stressed and anxious, and you're more likely to forget important things. Try waking up just 10 or 15 minutes earlier to give yourself more time to get ready. This small change can make a big difference in how relaxed and prepared you feel for the day ahead. Take a few moments to breathe deeply, plan your day, and get organized before you head out the door. Habit 12. Not planning your day. Waking up without a plan can leave you feeling scattered and overwhelmed as the day goes on. Without a clear idea of what you want to accomplish, you might end up wasting time or feeling unsure of what to do next. Take a few minutes each morning to think about your goals and priorities for the day. Write down a simple to-do list and keep it realistic. This will help you stay focused and feel more in control, making it easier to tackle your tasks and stay on track. Habit 13. Skipping breakfast altogether. Skipping breakfast might seem like a good idea if you're in a hurry, but it can lead to low energy and difficulty concentrating later on. When you skip breakfast, you're more likely to overeat or choose unhealthy snacks later in the day. Even if you're not very hungry, try to have something small, like a piece of fruit, yogurt, or a smoothie, to get your metabolism started and keep your energy level steady. Habit 14. Not giving yourself time to wake up. Jumping straight into your day without giving yourself a few moments to wake up can leave you feeling rushed and stressed. Try to spend the first 5 to 10 minutes after you wake up doing something relaxing, like stretching, taking deep breaths, or simply sitting quietly. This short, calm start can help you feel more grounded and ready to take on the day with a clear mind. Changing these morning habits can have a big impact on your day. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can set yourself up for a more positive, productive, and stress-free day. Remember, it's the little things that make a difference, like drinking water, getting some sunlight, or making your bed. Start making these small changes to your morning routine and see how they can improve your entire day. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more content like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest posts. Check out our other videos for more interesting topics. Thanks for watching.